Hi guys, so I'm back. This time I'm showing you a couple of things on paper paper 1, so it's the ones that don't have Hegarty clips attached to them. The first clip I'm going to do is this one about the bane of our existence, y equals to mx plus c. So the question says the points A, which is 6, 1, and B, minus 2, 5, are on the line with the equation y equals to minus a half x plus 4. M is the midpoint of AB, and we want to find an equation of the line through M that is perpendicular to y equals to minus a half x plus 4. So let's have a look. What do we want to do? So we want an equation of the line through M perpendicular to y equals to that. The first thing I would like to do is I would like to work out the gradient of this perpendicular line, because I know perpendicular lines, the gradients are the negative reciprocals of each other. So if this one is minus 1 over 2, the negative reciprocal of that is going to be, because this is a negative, I'm going to change the sign to a positive, and I'm going to flip the 1 over 2 into 2 over 1, which then becomes 2, so positive 2. So I know this is the gradient of the perpendicular line. Great. I know this magical perpendicular line goes through M, which is the midpoint of AB. So let's work out the midpoint of AB then. So to work out the midpoint, you want to add the x coordinates of the points and divide them by 2 for the x coordinate. And then you want to add the y coordinates of your 2 points and then divide them by 2 for the y coordinate. So if I quickly substitute that, I'm gonna get 6 plus minus 2. Okay, let me label them. So this is xa, ya, xb, yb. Okay, and then we've got ya, which is 1, yb, which is 5, halved. All right, if we simplify a bit here, we're going to see that becomes a minus. So 6 take away 2 is 4 over 2, and that's going to be a 6 over 2. If I divide them, I'm going to get 2, 3. Okay, so I know this is my M. Wonderful. So let me check what I've got to give the equation. I know that the general equation of a straight line is y equals mx plus c. Okay, so let me see. Do I have the y? Yes, it's here. Do I have the m? Yes, that's there. Do I have the x? I do. It's there. So the only thing that's missing here is my c. Okay, so I need to work out my intercept. So let's do that. So I substitute in y equals mx plus c. 3 equals 2 times 2 plus c. And that's a 4. So 3 equals to 4 plus c. If we take away 4 on both sides, we're gonna get that the gradient, the intercept is minus 1. So let's now substitute and work out the final answer. We've got y equals x, and then we have to give them the m, and we have to give them the c. Well, the m I worked out pretty early in the question, so that was a 2, and the c I just worked it out. It's a minus 1, so I just stick it there. So the final answer is y equals 2x minus 1. Okay, this is it for this one. I've got another clip with equation of a straight line, y equals mx plus c. So I shall see you soon. Bye.